All right, on this episode of Mendoza Monday, we are going into part 2 of service and maintenance. Today, we're going to be talking about blowers, how to drain the oil, how to check it, all the doodads on that, and transfer cases. We're going to dive into what type of oil, maintenance, and all that fun stuff, and we're going to do it right now. All right, we're here with Blake Groves, service advisor here at Summit. He's been working on a lot of hydrovacs over many, many years, so he has a lot of expertise in this business. Blake, we're here with transfer cases. Can you explain oil changes, maintenance? Just give any tips and tricks for our viewers out there.
All right, this is a Namco 174C, really common in foremost tornado and Rebel units. She will hold approximately 10 liters of 75/90. You're going to drain it from here right at the very bottom with an 1 7/16 socket. This here is your dipstick. You can take it off with an 1 1/4 socket or a wrench.
And these come empty, correct?
These come empty, yep.
So you'll have to fill it every time
And
before
then you
use.
can fill from basically any port you can find. You can fill out in the field from the dipstick. You can fill from any of your pipe nipples above this point. So including these ones here, whatever one is easiest for you to locate, you can fill from there. Again, 10 liters, 75/90. One big thing to keep an eye on anytime you're servicing or checking out your T-case is you're looking for leaks at your seals, as well as shaft input-output play. This one's got none.
We have two 125 blowers. Blake, why don't you show us how to drain the oil, fill it up, do your thing.
All right, so these being Ribushi 125s, really all of our blowers take EP220 synthetic. This one's in the correct position right now. So this would be looking at the driver's side toward your blower. This would be where your filter pot is sitting. So you have, again, a sight glass for your driven side, or sorry, your drive side, and a sight glass for your driven side.
Can you fill it on one side or both?
You have to fill them on both sides since it's two separate cases. You have a fill plug here as well as here and here. You can use any of those three. Same on the driven side. One fill plug here as well as here and here. Whatever one is easier for you to get to, use it. It does take about 4 liters total. That's including both sides. The drive side is smaller than the driven side. So it's about 2.5 liters on the driven side, and the drive side would be what's left of it. One thing I will say is when you are filling these, fill them really slow. The slower the better, because it's super easy to overfill these. Now this one here is on its side. This will be on the bottom of your 125. These are your drain plugs. One there, and then one on the other side on the other case.
All right. If you like what you see, give us a shout here at Summit Trucking Equipment Canada. We have locations in Bradford, Ontario, Red Deer, Alberta, Canada. Check out our selection of blowers, T-cases, and all that fun stuff. Hopefully you had a great time learning about maintenance. Call us. Happy Monday. Mic test. You know what would help? Blake, is if you dressed a little bit better for these videos, so you didn't. It was like last time.
Hey, you, it's me again. Looking at... No.